Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to remove a blade from an Einhell table saw. Okay, this screw we don't touch. This screw we don't touch. First screw that we are going to remove is this one. For that we are using our imbus number 5 key. As soon as we remove it, I'm going to take the screw and put it in my hand and open the protection of the saw. Raise this up and put the screw back, but solely for the purpose that he holds this open up. On the other side, we have a hole that's designed that we can jam the blade. So we jam the blade that the blade stays in the place through this hole. Now we take the imbus number 6. We take it and we unscrew it in the opposite direction. That's the direction. So the opposite is, in this case, to the right, the way the hour moves. So okay, remove the screw, remove this bolt, and the saw is out. To put it back, we put it like that. Take this, and there's just place. Now, okay, she locked in. Take the screw, and now we screw it to the left. To the left. Okay. Jam the saw again. Okay. Now to the left, we tighten it. Okay. Now that's tightened. Unscrew this one. Tighten it up. This one is imbus key number 5. And that is it. Our saw is working. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.